Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen, and it's so good to see you all tonight. Welcome to everyone, and I'm so happy to have you here. I am blessed, and I hope everyone is still blessed. And I come to you first. I'm going to do us a scripture, and listen to my scripture is coming from the 28th Psalms, number 2. Listen to my prayers, for mercy as I cry out to you. For help as I lift up my hands toward your holy sanctuary. Listen to my prayers, for mercy as I cry out to you. For help as I lift up my hands to your holy sanctuary. 28 and 2 in Psalms 28 and 2. Thank you all so much. Now, I have some chicken breasts that I have borrowed previously before coming on. And I had made it out of my own broth, okay? So now I have them in here, and I've added 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. So now I'm going to put it back on for you to see. I hope everyone is well tonight, or whenever you all see the view on this one. And this is called, you can make any kind of meat with this. And it's going to be called cream of anything that you would like, any type of meat that you want to put in it. Pork chops, chicken, steak, ground meat, ground turkey, or whatever. This one, and I'm going to make it out of, and when I'm going to put it in this casserole dish when it's finished here now. And I'm going to be putting the biscuits on top of it, and it's going to be almost like a pot pie. But it will be whatever kind of we have here. I don't have the chicken. I have chicken, and I was going to use tuna, but it was out. I couldn't use the Oreo tuna. So I wanted to have, so I went in the refrigerator and got this meat that I already had cooked, this chicken breast. I have 2 chicken breasts, which is about 1 pound, and I have 4 little garlic cut up in it. About 3 points of garlic in it, and then I have one, like I said, 1 can of cream of mushrooms, cream of chicken soup, and I have a half of an onion, and then I've already put, I don't know if I have enough seasoning in it now, because I had started with the season a little bit. Let me put just a little bit of black pepper in it. Should have got the white pepper again. Let me take. Okay, you guys. I'm going to taste it because I don't know if I have enough ingredients in it or not. I do. It's very good. Very, very good. And this, like I said, this is 2 pounds of chicken breasts, 2 whole big chicken breasts. It's really about 2 pounds. And I already cut them up and I boiled them. I'd already boiled it because I was going to use it for something else. But after I couldn't use the tuna, I decided to use this. And this is very good right now. Okay, now, in this I have, except put the cream back in there. The heavy cream. I'll show you the box so y'all see it out. Okay. I have a half of a cup of heavy cream. And as it's boiled a little bit, I'm going to pour this heavy cream off in there. And I put 1 tablespoon of, I put just a little bit of flour to give it a little thickening. Not much. Okay. And I'm going to be pouring the heavy cream off in here also. And when I started it off, I had took 2 tablespoons and a half of butter to let it melt with the onions and garlic in it. Now I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to be putting it into this casserole dish. It's 9 by 13 that I'm putting it in. Okay. So and I have my vegetables in the mixed vegetables. Okay. So I have the mixed vegetables. All right, I'm going to go ahead on and add the mixed vegetables into a dish, because they are frozen. I just had a half a package. I didn't have a whole one, so that's about 6 ounces that I'm putting in here with that. And I also have broccoli to it also.
Just added broccoli, y'all.
It one more time so I can make sure I still have the flavor that I need to have with it. Oh yeah. Very good. Very, very good, you guys. When I say it's off the chain, it is. This is off the chain. And I have add this a little bit more of the broth. I have enough seasoning in there to take care of that. I just added a little bit more here. I think I have enough to put in this 9 by 13 casserole. And once I get it ready, it goes in the oven for about 20 minutes to 25. And maybe not that long, depends, because I already have the oven on. It's 350 now, so. Okay, now I'm going to be pouring this into a casserole dish. And then I have a can of, well, the large size biscuits with 8 in here. And I'm going to be covering this with the biscuits. Hope this is good. Yeah. So yeah, it didn't look like I was gonna have enough. Okay, I was gonna put butter on top of them, but they're butter flavored. So it'll go in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, and they should be ready. So I'll be back with you in just shortly. Thank you.
She putting them on at 350, y'all. We'll be back.
Okay, I'm back with the final presentation of my this is what anything that you can put in any kind of meat is what it is, and it's called it's cream of any kind of meat that you want to put in it. So I have chicken in it, so you can put any kind of meat. So I'm going to take it out for you so you can see it. I didn't understand what it's going to be made with. You're supposed to have your juice in it also. So, okay, so. Okay. Okay, you are. So you can use it with anything that you have. It's almost like a pot pie, but it isn't. It's just called any kind of cream chicken or cream soup or whatever. Now, if you're using beef, I would suggest that you use beef broth or whatever. But you can use this anyway. And it's very hot. Mm. Mm. Now, it is so good. It makes you want to shake your tail. And I was hungry. But when I say it's good, this is another dish that's off the chain. And I want you all to try it. It is totally delicious. Hey, but I want y'all to try this. When I say it's good, it is good. Well. Very good. So y'all please try it. I'm going to go now. So may God bless all of you. And this is cream of anything that you want to put in it. Cream of any kind of meat. So I call it cream of any kind of meat. But right now, this is cream of chicken that I had made. So thank you so much. And I'll be back in the next video. I love you all. Goodbye and good night. And God bless you all. Good night.